The water chestnuts might just be the magic ingredients in these incredibly delicious dumplings. I should make these once a week so I always have them on hand. They're that good. Welcome to Anita's Kitchen, where we're making pork and shrimp dumplings. See the description for the full list of ingredients and recipe. Before anything, add 300 grams of ground pork to a bowl. Pat dry 150 grams of shrimp, flatten, and chop into chunks. Add the shrimp to the bowl of pork. Peel 4 large garlic cloves or 6 to 8 smaller cloves. Peel and rough chop 15 grams of ginger. Remove the ends of 3 green onions and chop in thirds. Squeeze the liquid out of 5 rehydrated shiitake mushrooms. Place the liquid aside. Remove the hard nub and slice the mushrooms in half. In a food processor, add 1 drained can of water chestnuts, the mushrooms, and the green onion, garlic, and ginger. Close and run on high for about 7 seconds. Use a spatula to scrape down the sides. Then run on high for 7 more seconds. Add to the bowl of pork and shrimp. Now for the seasonings, add 2 tablespoons of soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of toasted sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of mirin, 2 tablespoons of the mushroom soaking liquid or water, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 teaspoon of white pepper. Use your hand and mix well. Mandy at Souped Up Recipes recommends throwing the mixture, so do that. Cover and refrigerate for at least 20 minutes. Let's make some dumplings. Leave the wrappers in the packaging so they don't dry out. Place 1 to 1.5 tablespoons of filling in the center of a wrapper. Dip your finger in water and run along the edges. Fold and pinch in the center. Use your thumb and index finger to make pleats on both sides. And for a different angle, now let's finish up. Remove the dumplings you're going to cook and wrap the rest to freeze. See the link above on how to freeze dumplings. Now let's cook these dumplings. Add vegetable oil to a pan and set to medium-high heat. Immediately add the dumplings. Cook for about 4 minutes or until the bottoms get golden brown. Add 30 milliliters of water and cover. Cook for 6 minutes. Remove the cover, turn the dumplings, and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes. Let's eat. I'm going to enjoy them with the Chinese black vinegar dipping sauce I've made before, See the link above. I think the water chestnuts are the magic ingredients for these dumplings. They are that good. Usually I try to make a nice display of the food, but I'm starving and these are so delicious, so I'm going to town. Thank you for watching. Please consider giving this video a thumbs up and subscribing.